So you're making me bake.
Yeah. Bake. Bake. I'm pretty sure it's like that.
You got it. Now can you please change that to rake?
Rake, okay.
Excellent. Can you change that now to rack?
And the legal spelling is that.
Excellent, because we use CK after a short vowel. Can you now make rike? Not a real word, but rike.
Rike, okay.
What are you looking at?
Right? No, that's Rick.
Yeah.
I need Rike, so I need a K, then an E.
Good, push them a bit closer together. So we've got a word. Right, can you please now make for me pame? Not a real word, pame.
Okay.
Fabulous. What do you got?
Pain.
Yeah, can you change it to shame?
Shame.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excellent. Can you change that now, please, to shake? Cool. And tell me, why is that a legal use of K?
Because it is in front of E.
Man, you're a performer for a camera. Well done. Okay, can I now please have came, like you came to my house?
Oh.
Came.
Came, gotcha.
Excellent. Can I now have cam, please?
Cam.
Good job.